Hey guys, it's Courtney from Clarington Nissan, and today I wanted to show you 3 specific vehicles that we have on our lot today. So this is video number 1. Make sure you keep an eye out for video number 2 and 3 because I'm showing you 3 very specific vehicles that we have on our pre-owned lot here. And the reason I want to show you these vehicles is because they are all 2018 models, so they're fairly newer. They are all in very, very good condition. They are all accident-free. All 3 of them have a clean Carfax, and they're just in great shape. They're nice and affordable. They've got some good features on the inside. All of them are gonna have backup cameras. All of them are gonna have heated front seats. And the best news of all is that all 3 of these vehicles will finance out for under $150 bi-weekly. So guys, that's a fantastic deal. That's a fantastic price. So I wanted to show you guys these 3 specific vehicles so that if anybody out there is looking for an affordable vehicle that has a few features in it, you know, you're not getting a bare bones vehicle, you're getting a vehicle that has a good amount of features in it for a really affordable bi-weekly payment. So keep an eye out for the next coming 2 videos that I'll post today as well, guys. But here is number 1. So this is the first vehicle up. This is a 2018 Nissan Versa Note SV. This vehicle is a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's an automatic transmission. This vehicle specifically has 1 previous owner, no accidents like I mentioned, and this is the hatchback version. So you may or may not know, but the Nissan Versa Note was recently redesigned into the Nissan Versa sedan. So you lose the trunk space that you have in this one, but this one gives you a crazy amount of trunk space. There's lots of room in this one. Heated front seats, like I said, backup camera, like I said, guys. And this one specifically on a 5-year term, we can finance it and your bi-weekly payment would be $128 bi-weekly on a 5-year term. We only work with banks that do open loans. You can throw money down on it anytime you want and own that vehicle quicker. But if you wanted to stretch it out to 5 years, we might be able to do a little longer, but on 5 years, you'll have a nice low payment of $128 bi-weekly. Let me spin the camera around. I'll do a quick walk around the vehicle and show you what this vehicle comes with. All right, guys, so that was a quick look at this 2018 Nissan Versa Note SV. SV is the middle model in the Nissan Versa Note lineup, and this color here is the beautiful Scarlet Ember color. Now, this vehicle's in great shape, guys. If you want to come by and see this vehicle in person and take it for a test drive, we are operating by appointment only. So reach out to me. You can call the dealership, report to court, ask for me. I will set up an appointment with you and make sure this vehicle is pulled up and sanitized on the inside. And you can take it for a test drive. I'll give you some figures on it, answer any questions you may have. And like I said, guys, keep an eye out for the next 2 videos because they're going to be under $150 bi-weekly as well. Thanks, guys. Report to court at Clarington Nissan. Have a great day.